Hello, good afternoon mga classmates na on air. Nandito tayo ngayon sa PWHS, Philippine Women's University High School. Dito yun sa Manila. At nandito tayo mga naggagandahan at ngingitian ng mga students ng PWHS. Yan, say hi! Hello! Ayan, o yan. Okay, let's start off with a simple question. Why do you like PWU? Let's start off with you.
Hi, I'm Izel and I'm in third year. I like this school kasi dahil po sa school na to, natutuwa kong humarap sa maraming tao with so much confidence.
Wow, confidence.
Hi, ako naman po si Bettina. I'm a third year student also and pumasok ako sa school na to because I know and my parents know na ang school na to may high standards po talaga.
High standards.
Hi, I'm Zamira Abera, third year high school also like them. Pumasok ako sa school na to kasi I know this is where I really belong in an older school kasi yung experience ko sa co-ed, medyo nako-conscious ako kasi nga there are boys in the school.
Hi, my name is Danielle. I'm a fourth year student. I went to this school because I knew that this school can bring out the best in me.
Hello, I'm Corina and pumasok ako sa school na to kasi alam ko mag-gain ako ng confidence kasi dati mahiyain ako. But then ngayon natuto akong humarap sa tao at maging mas friendly.
Hi, I'm Jasmine, second year. Pumasok ako sa school dito kasi alam ko hindi na ako maging katulad no dati, mahiyain. So, na-improve ko ang sarili ko dahil dito.
Hi, good afternoon to everyone. I am Agatha and I am also a third year student here in PWU. I enrolled here because my father wants me to enroll in an exclusive high school for girls. And I love this school because they just not focus on our academics but also in our talents.
Wow, tingnan mo, hindi ko na mabilang yung mga pinagsasabi nila pero napakaganda. Eto, I'm gonna ask you something. What do you really expect from PWU? What are the high standards that you're saying? Could you tell us? Could you show our classmates? What?
Yung expectation. Ang ine-expect ko talaga is gagraduate ako na
With flying
mataas.
colors.
Na talagang I can fly high because of what I gained here sa school na to, what I learned. And sa lahat talaga ng natutunan ko, gagraduate ako with my high standards talaga.
Next.
So, ine-expect ko na yung mga, before yung mga hindi ko nagagawa nun, talagang magagawa ko na siya ngayon. Like, for example, yung dancing, di talaga ako sumasayaw dati. Ngayon, dahil sa mga easy po namin, nagagawa ko na siya. Ayun.
Next.
Ang ine-expect ko po dito sa PWU High School, kasi po nung orientation namin, sinabi po dito na wala ka talagang choice, but you have to shine. So, sobrang na-develop po yung talent ko dito sa lahat ng aspects, from singing to dancing. Kaya madami po talaga akong nag-gain from this school.
When I graduate, I know that I can conquer anything that comes in my way and that this school prepared me with a lot of ammunition to face the world.
My expectations, I expect lahat ng natutunan ko from classroom and outside the classroom ay magamit ko in my college days kasi alam natin mahirap yung college. So I'm expecting lahat ng tinuro ng teachers namin, values, extracurricular activities ay magamit ko in college.
Yung confidence na nakuha ko dito at saka yung mga things na natutunan ko, madadala ko siya hanggat sa pagtanda ko.
Well, what I expect in this school is that I hope that all students here will gain confidence and learn a lot from this school.
Wow! Imagine mo yun. Ito naman, magpapalakas naman tayo sa teachers natin. Ano yung mga gusto nyo sa mga teachers nyo? Yung mga tinuturo nilang good manners and right conduct, everything. Say it. Sabihin nilang.
Teachers, ang favorite teacher ko kasi is, pwede ba siyang hindi teacher? Pwede ba siyang staff?
O staff.
Gusto ko talaga yung guidance counselor.
Oh,
namin.
guidance counselor.
Oh,
Tingnan mo.
seryoso yun. Kasi talagang very approachable siya. And ako almost everyday nasa office niya. Magkikwento ako sa kanya tungkol sa ano nangyari sa akin kagabi. Nag-away ba kami ng kapatid ko? Or kung nag-enjoy ba ako sa outing. Tapos lahat yun talaga pinapakinggan niya. Even my biggest problems talaga. Nakikinig yung guidance namin.
Then?
Sa teachers, halos lahat naman po sila approachable and friendly po talaga sila. Kapag may kailangan ka, pwede mo silang lapitan. Pag may di ka naintindihan, sila mismo yung nagsasabi na, oh, may di ba kayo naintindihan, lumapit na kayo sa amin. So parang, ayun.
So, magandang, ang teacher-student relationship mo.
Apo.
Wow,
Apo.
okay. Ikaw?
So yung gusto ko about the mga teachers here, hindi lang yung nasa syllabus nila yung tinuturo nila. It's not only the lessons from the book. Yun talaga yung gusto nilang iparating sa amin at gusto nilang matutunan namin hanggang sa pagtanda namin.
Wow, syllabus. Kami hindi namin ginamit sa high school yan. Ang ginamit ko, college ko sinamit. Okay, next.
Our teachers are very friendly. They really show you that what learning really is about.
Wow, okay.
Teachers kasi namin dito, very approachable. Hindi lang inside the classroom, pati outside the classroom. Kahit makita mo sila sa labas, and then, oh, hi, miss, mag-hi din sila. And then, pag may problems ka sa kanila, kahit personal, pakikinggan kanila.
So pwede kayo magtambay kahit sa labas ng classroom. Mga ayos, okay.
Our teacher is not, always serious. Sometimes,
Okay.
nagpapatawa din sila.
That's good. It's good in studying.
Hindi, lahat po ng teacher namin ay approachable and very, very understanding po sila. Napakasipag po nilang magturo sa
Wow, so nabibigyan kayo ng parang idea na mag-study very well. As in, study talaga. Siyempre, teacher, student, maganda. Hindi katulad sa iba, hindi sila masyado, laging serious.